If you're still wondering how you can make money from YouTube, or if you already have a channel that has a big following and you're thinking about how you can make more money with it, well, in this video, I'm going to show you the 4 best ways you can make money with your YouTube audience and how to get them started. And make sure you stick around till the end, because the last method will make you the most money and doesn't require you to have a huge audience. Most would think that ad revenue and being monetized on YouTube is the main method of making money with YouTube, but the 4 methods I'm going to show you can all be bigger money makers than your YouTube channel's ad revenue, and all the biggest creators on the platform are doing this to get crazy rich. The first method that most of you would have heard about is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the fastest ways to start making money on YouTube if you know how to make a viral video, but can be a very slow process for anyone with a small audience or minimal reach with their videos. The idea is that you can promote products that are ideally related to your niche, and when your viewers make a purchase through your link, you get paid. It's low risk for both you and the company because you only get paid when sales happen. And the more value your audience sees in the product, the better your results. But it is essential that you only promote products that are related to your niche and that you have tested out and believe are good products. If the product isn't good, it would be best to avoid it, since you wouldn't want to scam your audience with bad products. You can see this in the descriptions of all my videos. I leave affiliate links to the AI tools that I use for my channel because I know they are good, and I know that my audience would be interested in using these products moving forwards. The second method is gaining sponsorships. With sponsorships, the money starts rolling in up front. Brands pay you to feature their products on your channel, regardless of whether your audience buys. It's like being a traffic source for them. The more viewers and impressions you bring in, the more you can charge. You get paid up front based on every 1,000 views, and it's a great way to earn from your channel without waiting for sales to come in. It can be very difficult to get this one running, as you should already have a large and established audience that would be in the same niche as the brand. But when you do build up your audience, the best way to go about securing a sponsorship is to mention these brands in your videos, send them emails, and directly contact them so that you're making them aware of the value you can provide them. By reaching out directly, you have a better chance of being noticed by these brands. And the third method of monetizing your audience is with partnerships. Partnerships go a step further than the others by gaining equity in a company you're collaborating with. You promote their products, but instead of just getting paid per sale or upfront, you get a share of the company. Can be minority or majority equity deals, depending on the size of your audience. But you can negotiate for both upfront payment and equity based on performance. It's riskier than the last 2 methods since there's no guarantee that the company will be successful and will require more work on your part. But it can lead to bigger rewards if the company grows as a result of the partnership. And the fourth and final method is by launching your own business. Why not create your own brand? The beauty of having an audience is that you can market products and services to them which they would really be interested in. But rather than sharing the revenue with other companies, you can own the business and make all the profit yourself. This can include selling merchandise, online courses, and consultancy, or providing a service. It's crucial to decide what to sell, as it should be relevant to a niche. For example, you wouldn't want to sell your consultancy services to an audience that watches your videos on historical documentaries. Look for what your competitors are doing and take inspiration from them, as whatever they're doing is probably working for them. And the beauty of this monetization method is that it doesn't require a large audience. There are many channels that have 5,000 to 10,000 subscribers, making multiple 6 figures a year by promoting their products and services to their hyper-specific audiences. And so there you have it. There were the 4 best ways to monetize your YouTube channel. Whether you're aiming for quick profit with affiliate marketing or building a long-term business with your own brand, there's a strategy here for everyone. If you found this video helpful, leave it a like and make sure to subscribe for more tips on how to grow your YouTube channel and get monetized as quickly as possible. And as always, I'll see you on the next one.